For months, you thought you were building your back, but every rep had a hidden enemy. Bad technique, half reps, shrugged shoulders, flaring elbows, chin reaching. One mistake almost everyone misses. 5 mistakes, your back looks exactly the same. Mistake number 1, and it's the one that cost you months of progress. Hang from the bar, arms fully extended, elbows locked, feet off the ground. Now, most people start their pull-up from here, halfway up, which means they train half the muscle, half the range, half the stimulus. 6 months of half reps and you wonder why you're stuck. The fix is brutally simple. Every rep starts from a dead hang, full extension, elbows locked, shoulders open. You cut the range, you cut the exercise. Oh, and one more thing. If you need to swing and kick your legs to get that last inch, that rep doesn't count either. Momentum masks weakness. Control every rep or drop to an easier progression. Period. Mistake number 2, your arms are stealing all the work. Before your arms bend, before anything bends, your shoulder blades need to pull down, away from your ears. That movement loads the lats. That's the signal that tells your back it's time to work. Skip it, your biceps and upper traps jump in and take over. You shrug your way to the top of the bar, arms completely fried, back feels absolutely nothing. Try this right now. Do a pull-up, hold at the top, squeeze everything hard. If your biceps are on fire and your upper back feels nothing, your arms just did 90% of the work. Again, every single set. The fix is scapular pull-up. Hang, arms straight, don't bend anything, just pull your shoulder blades down, then let them rise back up. 10 reps before your sets, that's it. That's the whole secret.
Hold that thought, because mistake number 3 is the one that quietly shifts all the work from your back to your grip, and you don't even feel it.
Mistake number 3, your grip is lying to you. Here's one cue that fixes everything. Imagine you're trying to bend the bar inward, like snapping it in half toward you. That instantly rotates your elbows inward, tucks them close to your body, and lights up your lats. Do the opposite, let your elbows flare out, and the load shifts straight to your upper traps and front delts. Same effort, 0 back. At the top of the rep, push that inward motion even further, like making your elbows touch behind your back. Bonus tip, imagine squeezing oranges in your armpits. Try it right now with arms overhead. You'll feel exactly where the lats are supposed to fire. Grip width matters too. Too wide, you lose the bottom stretch and the top contraction, the 2 moments where the lat works hardest. Shoulder width grip gives you maximum range, maximum muscle. And remember, overhand trains your lats more. Underhand puts the bicep in the driver's seat. That's basically a chin-up, a completely different exercise.
2 left, and if you skip the next one, everything you just fixed means nothing, because mistake number 4 is what turns a back exercise into a neck exercise.
Mistake number 4, you're reaching with your chin, not pulling with your back. How many times have you seen someone stretch their chin as high as it goes just to clear the bar? The chin is not the goal, the chest is the goal. Aim to pull your sternum to the bar. That forces thoracic extension, gets the lats into full contraction, and keeps your elbows in the right plane, slightly in front of your body, not flared out to the sides like chicken wings. Chest to bar is the standard. Chin over bar is just the absolute minimum.
Last one, and this one is counterintuitive. It goes against everything you've been taught about pull-up form. If you brace your core the right way, you're actually working against your back.
Mistake number 5, you're pulling with your abs instead of your back. Here's something counterintuitive. The hollow body pull-up, pelvis tucked, abs squeezed, is actually working against your back. The moment you fire up your abs, you trigger the anterior chain. And in practice, it cancels out the posterior chain. Your lats, rhomboids, lower traps, the whole reason you're doing this exercise. The fix is arched back pull-up. Let your spine extend, chest forward, shoulders back. Entire posterior chain fires in one line. Is arching dangerous? Only under compression load like a barbell squat. On a bar, your spine is decompressed. You're hanging. It's completely safe. Now, here's the complete rep. Dead hang, full extension, packed shoulders. Shoulder blades down before anything bends. Bar at the base of your fingers, whist neutral. Elbows slightly forward. Pull until your chest reaches the bar. Slight arch in the back, posterior chain fully engaged. Control the way down, full extension at the bottom. 5 reps like this will hit harder than 20 of the sloppy version. That's not motivation, that's biomechanics. Now go to the bar. Hang, shoulder blades down, tight grip at the fingers, slight arch, chest to the bar, and for the first time, actually feel your back working.
If you fixed your pull-ups, now go fix your push-ups. Same principle, wrong mechanics. Most people do those wrong too. I broke down every mistake in the video on screen right now. Watch it next.